I'm heading into work and I've come across something that is potentially very, very special indeed. It's a ring of earth stars growing around some pine trees on a park in Bromley. I'm not sure if you've seen earth stars before. I'll try and zoom down. Here's quite a mature one. Here's one that is just splitting open. They're growing in a ring. Oh, here's another one that's splitting open here around these pine trees, and they are potentially on the endangered list and protected here in the UK. There are, I'm just going to see if there's one fallen over. Here we go. To have a closer look. This is how it looks underneath. Unfortunately, we had a very bit of frost overnight. So this emerges out of the ground. It looks a little bit like a nut. The outer casing breaks open to reveal and sometimes push up quite prominently this sac. And this sac is what contains the spores. And when it rains and the drops fall onto the sac, or a little animal runs by, it puffs out its spores, and that's how it sort of propagates. I'm not sure if this one, if you can see, there you go, you saw some spores just there. So what I'm going to do now is measure these, take a few more photographs, pinpoint exactly the location, get in touch with the owners of the site to advise them that they have this particular species on their land, and then I will take one home, possibly this one now, and save it for possible identification at home, DNA assessment, that kind of thing, and then I'll get in touch with the owners of the national database so that this can be recorded. These are very seldom recorded. There are several types of earth star growing in the UK. This is quite a large one, and it's quite unusual to see it growing in a ring like this around this tree. Probably has a mycorrhizal association with the tree. So there you have it, earth stars growing in a Bromley park, that's in London in the UK.